Hello, my name is Pavla Čepelikova, and let me show you today some very simple design which looks like an ostrich skin. This is, I developed it, found it, I don't know how to say, so I created it because I very often need a design which is neutral but still interesting, especially if I want to combine it, for example, with screen or with cane work or with my other works. So you need something which will match in colors, but not compete with your main design. But plain color could be quite boring. So this ostrich skin design is exactly what I like to use. And the same way is with these little bit like a wood lines or depends on your color you will use. So let me show you how to make this super easy, super fast, and super efficient design. Prepare two colors of your polymer clay. For me, the Premo works best, and this is the thickest setting of pasta machine. So I will stack them like this, and I will cover them by very thin layer. This is a thinnest setting of my pasta machine, and you can use literally any color you like so. So we will have a sandwich, and you will need some sharp toothpick, or it can be bunch of needles or whatever. And we need to pierce our clay a lot. You can see, yeah, it's lots of little holes, and you can open it a bit. It's a good to do it. And now we will go to the pasta machine. So my pasta machine is, of course, on thickest setting because we will put very thick these. Your first version will look like this, which is not so not pretty. Then we will switch on thinner setting, and now you will get something like this. And what I like to do, I fold it like so, and go again. And now you will get something which looks like on both sides is a ostrich skin, and it's quite pretty design. And my pasta machine is on number 2, and you can continue on number 3. This is how to make an ostrich skin effect. And of course, this you can combine with some canes or whatever you wish. And I like this design as a neutral design. So this is ostrich skin. One more time. The second neutral design will be same. So you stuck two small pieces of thickest setting, any color you like. And again, I will use my very thin, it means the setting of ecru clay, just, you know. And this time, I will go directly to the pasta machine on the thickest setting to have a thinner layer. So, and now it's time to stretch it. So, like so. Stretch it a lot. And if you wish, you can also use some dots, this and there. And again, open it a bit. And now change, you will go this way, plus one less. And now I will change the position, I will go this way on number 2 on my machine, which is a plus. So, and again, I will flip it over like this. You can see this half transparent design. And we will go on number 3 again. So one less to have more transparency. So we have another neutral design. So we have Ostrich and something like wood or stone, depends on your colors. Big piece. Let's make something from those green piece and my 2 neutral pieces I made just now. So all my pieces are on the same thickness, so it's easy to smooth and connect. And you can select which part you like more, this position or other position. But I think personally that this one is more interesting. So I could do this way, or maybe this way. Most. Let's see. Can do this way, or maybe it would be more interesting to go vertically. So I think yes, it's you'll need a piece of paper to connect it with me. Now it's time to select the shape which is the most interesting for you. And it could be a circle, maybe a little bit bigger circle like this, or it could be some oval shape, which could be quite interesting, for example, for hairband. I think this piece looks pretty amazing. It's time to bake it. I like to bake my pieces on watch glass, which is a little bit rounded piece of laboratory glass. And you can make a decision if you have it this side or this side.